Hello, hello. Quick update on the Redeye build. It's never going to be done being built because I keep breaking shit. Took it to the track about 2 weeks ago. Had one of the best launches we've had yet. We didn't make it past the tree, so I can't even give you a 60 foot. Took off the line. Car made a pretty decent, good boom. I stopped, and here's the video. I would say that the drive shaft really doesn't owe me anything, but I only got about 15 or so passes on it, which is pretty disappointing. Kind of think that the cause was wheel hop. Not 100% sure about that because of, where it broke. Definitely shouldn't do that, but we're going to go ahead and replace it with a 4-inch aluminum drive shaft shop. So we went ahead and put a drive shaft loop around our beautiful new aluminum drive shaft. Call that some insurance in case this some breaks again. And we'll beat up the floorboard. So we referred to the instructions for once. You're going to tighten all of the 14 M10 bolts using 57 foot-pounds. And make sure you tighten in a star pattern for even coverage. Thank you very much.